Hey, hey, testing. Testing, 1, 2. Are we live? We are live, I think. Yep. All right. Good morning, fellas. We are live. It is Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday morning, everybody. Let's go. We got everything rocking and rolling this morning. I feel like I'm prepared. Let's do this. Good morning, Fred Yeager. Barefoot Greenback, good morning. Black Coffee in the house. I heard all about it already. Ohio was, where we live at, was decked with like 4 to 6 inches of snow. Of course, it couldn't do that while I was there. But it does look really nice in Ohio. Beautiful snow. I do kind of wish just a little bit I was there. Anyway, RXHX, good morning. Jake Dell, Niles, Sam Owen, good morning. Francis, good morning. Dean Bishop, good morning. Updated content, Cross D, Sean Trader, Day 1J, good morning. TCM Trades, Touchdown, Zugfest, Tanush, good morning. Lazy Bunny, good morning. Jim O, Trader Buzz, Dabda, Daniels, Thor, Timely Bible Verse, good morning. Trader Runny Money, Jay Fernando, Golf Guy Mike, let's go. All right, market is open. We are pulling back. I wouldn't mind seeing a pullback to the VWAP here, see what happens. Peter Schapp, good morning. John, good morning. Trading on tilt, good morning. Mick. NQ's been ugly since 6 a.m. Yeah, pretty much. Nothing really to do. I mean, the overnight session here early in the morning, we had some pretty decent setups here, but not much since. I'm definitely not. I'm fine. We're just chilling. Hey, HetPay, I am trying to reach out to Apex support for a week now to reactivate my Apex account, which I deactivated back in June. What do you mean you deactivated it? If you deactivated it in June, you are not going to be able to reactivate it. I'm not sure what you mean. But yeah, that account is probably long gone. I don't know that they can do anything if you deactivated it. I need to send you pics of how much snow I have. This will be my last winter in the Midwest. Oh, John, do. See, I actually like snow. I love the snow. I just don't like the... I like when it snows. Like a fresh coat of snow. A fresh coat of snow is great. So I do like... Hey, Shanum Chase, good morning. I'm doing great in Florida. Hey, Alec, good morning. Updated content. Dean Bishop, there's something wrong with me? No, seriously. It's actually, you guys got to admit, a fresh coat of snow, there's something very peaceful about a fresh coat of snow. Like, it's just, it makes my heart nice and, it just makes my heart happy. But, there's other things that go with that, like the cold and the wind and then the mess afterward that, you know, is not quite as fun. The Tate, good morning. Mighty Micros Trader, good morning. RX, we got our first snow yesterday. Okay, nice. Hey, Matty Matt. I 100% can see why old people or snowbirds go to Florida for the winter. Yeah, I agree, Matty Matt. I agree. Did you say old people? Man, that's rough. Snow is great when you get it once or twice or 2 days a year where I am. Yeah. No snow in Spain. Hey, you're from Spain? Hey, well, Oh, wow. Look at this market. There she goes. Back up through the 520s. Well, I go for it. Okay, thank you, Matty Matt. Thank you. Okay, I feel better now. There for a second, Matty Matt, I thought maybe you were calling me old, so I wasn't sure where to go with that. Hey, good morning, Traders Chick. Which tool do I use for copy trading? I use the Replicanto copy trader. Replicanto. My back and knees hurt more in the winter. Yeah, I can imagine. I can imagine. It definitely makes a difference. It definitely makes a difference. If you have struggle with arthritis and cold do not go well together. All right, market. I guess we be I mean, we're definitely going to be looking for longs. Now I just need to be patient. All right, let's look. I want to see the 1 hour chart. So the 1 hour chart, we are right at that previous high at the 550s. So 550s are going to be very interesting. And then after that, we're going to be looking at, I mean, 550s and then the 650s and then the 800s. So we're back in the market only goes up. Oh, what's gold been doing? Gold, interesting area here as well. Wow. All right. Testing the 550s. Are we just going to rip right through this? Wow, look at that. There she goes. We're ripping. Oh, 570s, 575s, 580s. Man, what a rip. Come on, market. Don't rip too much. $585s, $588s. Unbelievable. $590s. Man, this is, there it goes. There she goes. Yeah, Fred Yeager, who knows? Arthritis. If I had $1 for every time someone asked what trade copier you use, I would be rich. I agree, Niles. I agree. I would be rich too. What is going on? We are over the 600s. Man. Ugh. It's going to be a day of waiting again. Frozen North. I know you're joking. I know you're joking. What is going on, market? Can we just... Okay, now we got to be patient. We got to be patient. Crazy market. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, can we get a pullback? We just need this market to slow down a little bit. Don't go without us. By the way, I just realized this morning, I completely forgot to upload my recap video yesterday. What an idiot. I just completely forgot. I literally thought about it this morning. I'm like, oh my goodness, I forgot to upload my recap video, but I'll just do a recap for 2 days tonight. Might as well see a V dump. Oh yeah, you know it's possible. This thing could just dump right back down. We all know it's possible. We all know it's possible. Getting old. I know, John. What can you do? There's only one alternative to getting old. So getting old is not such a bad thing, if you really stop and think about it. Niles, I know. All right, can we get up through the 600s here? Let's see if we can get through the 600s. Yep, there she goes. There she goes. Ay, 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 ay. Hey, trading, GP trading hey, thank you. I appreciate that. Look at this. Unbelievable. There she goes through the 610s. I mean, we got to be getting a pullback here soon, right? Right? Oh, the Santa Claus rally is here. Yes, Frozen North. Yes, it does appear like the Santa Claus rally is real. The Santa Claus rally is real. Man, I'm here for it. Just I don't mind the rally. Just give me a good pullback and a good entry. That's all I ask. That is all I ask. Uh-oh, Niles. Oh, no. All I want for Christmas is a box of pullbacks. That's right. I need some nice pullbacks, and I need a trade like yesterday. Yesterday was actually a really, really awesome trade. We literally got filled. We got filled, and the market just immediately kept going. Like, I don't think we even were in drawdown. Like yesterday's trade, I don't think I was in drawdown at any point. It was one of those trades where we just went boom and boom. Like, now we could have and should have held for a lot longer, but hey, that's a whole different subject for a different day. All right, market, give me a pullback. I want to see a bigger pullback here. Come on. I mean, is this really just going to keep going? Yep. GPS trading. Okay, now I'm saying it correctly. GPS trading. Now I get it. I like it. I like the name. All right, market, give me that pullback. Come on to pop it. Come on down. Be great to get a pullback to the 540s, maybe. Do we have, I'm pretty sure we don't have any news, but let me double check. Also, I wanted to mention this. I know QuantGuard. So QuantGuard is what I use to lock out my trading, for those of you that are not aware. But I will say, shout out to QuantGuard. It's been 2 weeks. At least, okay, I can only speak on Tradeovate connections, but it's been a full 2 weeks now, and QuantGuard has been working great. No issues. I'm very happy to report that. And I was talking to Miles, and Miles wants to do a special 50% off promotion. So yeah, if you have been on the fence about QuantGuard and you want to give it a try, right now is not a bad time to do it. 50% off, and they will, a NBT code will get you a 50% discount if you want to try it out. All right, market, we need a bigger pullback here. Come on. This is always what happens in the morning. These moves are always, we just never get the full pullback, it seems like. Yeah, I don't know. Weren't you saying yesterday Lucid has a new account type that is really good? Jay Fernando, yeah, Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex is their new account. And honestly, it is a really, really good account for the sim-funded environment, which is where most of us trade. So the only drawback to that account is don't run up a crazy large balance thinking that you can then take that amount to live. They have a $5,000 per account cap on how much you can take live. Hey, okay, getting a pullback now. This is good. This is good. Hey, Sharouz, good morning. Lucid, it is Lucid Trading has a new account called Lucid Flex. Check it out. Hey, good morning, Design. I just saw you. But yeah, the Lucid Flex account, no consistency, no buffer required. You can basically withdraw 50% of your profits, no consistency, and yeah, it is a pretty good account. It's basically a take profit trader account, but less of a max size. Well, there is not a daily payout. There are no daily payouts either. I think you need, how many days do you need? Let me look. How many days traded do you need? I think it's 5. Yeah, 5 days. Okay, 5 days of 250 or more, and then no consistency. Thank you, Jake Dale. Thank you, guys. Yeah, I thought it was 5, but I wanted to verify that. So yeah, I mean, that's a nice. I'm actually really curious. I know Tradeify is coming out with a new account as well, and I'm very curious to see what Tradeify will come out with as well. All right, market, what is it? We're just hanging out now. We're not really making new highs, just going sideways, choppy right now. And pulling back. Okay, come on down. Come on down, market. Yes, it does have a scaling plan. Yes, there is a scaling plan on it as well. So what's the difference in amount moved to live in Flex compared to Pro or Direct? So the Pro or Direct accounts with Lucid, you can have a max cap of 150,000 moved to live on those accounts. Well, okay, I should double check that. That might be including the payouts that you have taken. I believe it is. So if you've taken, 30,000 in payouts and then they move you to live, you could have 120,000 live account. Yep, no problem, coach. 100K max move to live on Pro, 5,000 on Flex. Okay, so it's 100K max. Okay, is it 100K then? I need to double check that. I thought they moved it to 150. I'm actually going to check that right now. Maybe they changed that. I don't. Design knob, summer in Chicago. Hey, FinTech. Thank you, Disciplined Futures Trader. Thank you. All right, market trying to make a move here. Let's see if we break out above the 610s. We're just struggling. Getting very choppy here. Any thoughts about CMA shutdown over? Oh, the CME? Yeah, Fred Yeager. That was kind of weird. I never saw that kind of shutdown. I don't know. I guess they fixed the issue, I hope. Lucid also has that escrow on their live, so not all your money gets moved directly to the balance. Yes, that's true, Day One. I was just looking at that. I'm trying to look at the cap move to live, but I don't see that. Look at this market. This is ugly. Okay, there is a $150,000 total live funding cap across all active accounts. So it's 150,000 cap on Lucid. I thought it was 150. I know Tradeify is 100. So it is 150. Rake leaves, shovel snow, and sneeze. Design knob. That's pretty much on. That is spot on. Yeah, it's kind of weird to see me shut. I don't know. It is kind of weird, but I don't know. I don't think there was anything too crazy about it, but. All right, market. I mean, we're getting very close here that we can actually get a setup. We got to pay attention here. We got to pay attention. Man, we just can't seem to get above the 600s. I kind of expect this to get a little deeper pullback here. Kind of expect a deeper pullback, but let's wait and see. Nice scalps on the pullbacks. Nice. Yeah, right now this market looks kind of unstable. It looks a little bit unstable up here at the 600s. Feel like we need a bigger pullback here, but I don't know. We'll wait and see. This seems like we can't quite get her done. Oh! I've hit it. Hey, nice shrews. The funding ticks promotion, a good one. What is their current promotion? I'm actually a terrible affiliate. I don't pay enough attention to some of these announce. I'm probably going to get cut off as an affiliate for funding ticks here. Watch. I don't see. Do they have? Is it funding? Is funding ticks 50% off right now? Is it actually? Is it still? Is it still 50% off? I don't think so. Let me check. It's still 50% off. Wow. Why? Man. I mean, that is a good deal. I wish I would have waited to buy accounts until now. So funding takes 50% off. Wow. Okay. I guess I thought that sale had ended, but it is actually still going. Oh, so you can do the individual reward cap of 1,000 or 3,000. What? Unbelievable. So it's 50% off, and the 50% off is all accounts. I mean, if you want to try funding, I mean, that is a really good deal. I don't think they've ever had a better deal than that. Man, I could have saved so much money if I would have just waited. But oh well. Who was in the chat? Thanks for bringing that to my attention. I did not know. Yes, I saw they also now have an intraday option for less money. Yeah, they do. I saw that. I saw that. Also, today is the last day, supposedly, for the Apex 80% off sale with the special promotion for the 100K accounts of a lifetime activation fee of only $10. That's still crazy. Wow. All right, market trying to get back above the 610s now. Trying to get back above, but if you take the 1K payout cap for funding ticks, oh wow, there's the breakout up through the 620s. We just didn't quite get enough of a pullback to trigger the entry. Unfortunate. FPL link. You need 30-day trading period to complete the eval for funding ticks? No. They have a 30% consistency rule on their evals, so you can pass in as little as 4 days if you want to. I'm muted? No, I'm not. Hey, Super Trader, I don't think I'm muted. When my account was ready for payout, I was not able to add my bank account due to a glitch. What do you mean, Sharuz? Like that? Like a glitch on which? Oh, it's 40% consistency. You're right. I'm sorry. 40% consistency. So you can pass in as little as 3 days, right? Yes, 3 days you can pass. What is going on with this market, man? Just straight up ripping it. Yeah, Frozen North. Thanks for saving me. Thanks for saving me, Frozen North. I mean, I don't know how I feel sometimes. I have gotten fired as an affiliate from My Fund of Futures, so I got fired from My Fund of Futures for not promoting them, or I wasn't bringing enough new customers, I guess. Whatever, man. Hey, only goes up, Design Knob. That's right. That is correct, Design Knob. It's crazy. I wish. Pass 5, 25K take profit. Let's go, Muhammad. Let's go. Nicely done. Nicely done. Hey, Jim JB, how we doing? Hey, Coach Captain Crunch. Yes, crazy holiday week. Same. Did you find out what that limit reach copy trading error message was from the other day when some of your accounts didn't close? Sean Trader, I just had to close and restart my PC. I don't know. I didn't have that issue again, so I don't know. I didn't have it happen again, so I'm hoping everything's fine. But it was the first time I ever saw that. Hey, good morning, Mr. Wall Street. Probably because I talk about the scooter. Huh. Could be. That could be, actually. I didn't even think about that, Mr. Wall Street. You know, it's kind of funny because they dropped me as an affiliate a little bit after I started talking crap about that scooter guy idiot. It wasn't soon after I don't know. I don't want to say, I don't think it was him. I would sure hope not, but who knows? That guy's a grade A douchebag, so it could be. Anyway, it's all good. All right, are we going to make new highs? Are we going to make new highs? My affiliate code was still working at my fund of futures? No, it was. What? Okay, please tell me if it's working or not. I'm not joking. Is it working? If it is working, I want to know about it. NBT code works? Those bastards. Does my code NBT still work at my fund of futures? I want to know. I want to know. It worked when you tested it? Yeah, you don't have to buy anything. Don't buy anything. But you can just put the code in and it should tell you if it works or not. It works? What a joke. You know why that's upsetting? Commissions go directly to Scooter. That actually is that gets my attention. You know why? Because right when they dropped me as an affiliate, they made sure that my code didn't work. But then a month later now they turned it back on. That way they know they can just collect the commissions and not have to pay me when they know people will probably use the code thinking that they're supporting me and they're just collecting it. Whatever, my fund of futures. I hope you feel good about that. That's insane. It's a little bit annoying, not gonna lie. A little bit annoying. Whatever, man. Whatever. You know what I should do? I should make it public and I should make an announcement on Twitter. Please don't use code NBT. I should be a troll. You know what grinds my gears? Let me guess, Design Knob, that the market just keeps going higher. Yeah, please don't use the NBT code on my fund of futures. Support a different creator. Find your... I know I'm your favorite. At least I pretend. I like to think that I am. Go to your second favorite creator, whatever, and use their code. The 401k loves this, but my trading accounts do not. That can be true. I just want a pullback. That's all I want for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is a pullback to the 21 EMA. The scooter guy wants a new scooter for Christmas. I'm late to the party. What's up with MFF? Hawks? It's fine. There's nothing up with them. They just dropped me as an affiliate, but my code still works. I'm just not getting paid. That's basically what that means. I closed for a small profit, 10 points. Hey, GPS trading, 10 points is 10 points. 10 points is still 10 points. You know what I mean? Should I contact my bank or Apex if I never receive my payout, even if it shows paid on the contact Apex. Contact Apex, AGT. AGT. If you have issues, if you reach out to support and you don't hear anything back in a week, like allow 5 days, at least 5 business days. If you don't hear back from them, send me an email. Send me an email and I will help you. I will help you to make sure that your account gets corrected, because that has happened before where the banking information, maybe you input the wrong numbers, something, and then, you know, it looks like it's paid, but you never receive the money. That's almost always the issue, is incorrect bank information. I remember, I don't know if you guys remember this or not, but I remember there was a guy, it was probably a year ago, maybe even longer, and it was, this guy came in my chat. He was so mad. He was so mad. But anyway, it was an issue with the routing number and the account number were switched. He put the routing number into the account number, and he put the routing number into the, like, vice versa, and he never received his funds, and he thought Apex was scamming him, but thankfully it was corrected and everything was made right. But yeah, if that happens, AGT, very likely that's what happens, and I'll help you get it fixed if you need help. Yeah, we're getting a pullback. I am paying attention. I am paying attention. We need a bigger pullback, though. Come on. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come on down. I used to try to go big RR. Now I understand that 10 points a day keeps the stress away. Exactly, GPS trading. Exactly. And if you're all, I mean, there are certain types of traders and trading styles where they have to go for home runs, but that's a difficult way of trading, in my opinion. And I prefer to take those profits and run. Run. Come on, market. Don't go without me. Are you serious? I need a bigger pullback. I mean, we're the 910 EMA. I'm telling you, this is something I have considered. I'm not saying I'm going to do it, but I have thought about changing my rules just a little bit from 9:30 until like 10:30 or 10:15, somewhere in that time frame, like from 9:30 to 10 o'clock or 10:30, that I can take entries off the 9 EMA on the 2-minute chart, which would be the 21 EMA on the 1 minute, and basically take those entries, but only do it in that time frame of day. Because it seems like this is always, we get such strong moves at the open usually, that this happens. I feel like this happens a lot. Base hits all day, Mighty Micros trader. Amen. Hey, 10 points at a time. If you take 5 trades, all of a sudden, you know, even if you take 10 points and do that twice a day, 2 10-point trades a day, have that be your goal, you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked how fast and how quickly that will add up. How quickly it will add up, man. Those small base hits, they add up. That's, yeah, I'm a big fan. Hey, M. Susan, good morning. Maybe I want to consider ATR instead of time bait. Actually, that wouldn't be a bad idea as well, M. Susan. That's a good idea as well. I could just see what the ATR is. And if ATR is above a certain amount, then I can use the 1 minute 21 EMA as entry. True, I could do that. By the way, I wanted to show you guys this. I wanted to show you guys because I thought this was pretty cool. Hang on, I got to look at something first. Hello? What? Here we go. So I wanted to show you guys, I think I mentioned this before, but I just want to show it again. I think it's really awesome. So TradeZella, you can now automatically connect all of your Trade-Evade accounts, and there is no limit. Like, there is no limit. Look at this. I have all of my accounts, all 47. Look. 47 accounts that I have connected here to Trade-Evade or TradeZella, and they automatically sync every day. As soon as I take a trade, they sync automatically. And it's really nice. I gotta say, it is really, really nice. I should sync it now. Let me do that. What is this? This doesn't seem right. Oh, I know why. Hang on. Okay. But, okay, so going back, like dashboard. Now, this is what I wanted to show you guys. That's really cool. Hashtag, this is not an egg. This is not an ad. I just think it's pretty cool. So I can only select one account, which I use this account. And then like here, so I have I have different playbooks. For example, let's go to yesterday's trade. So if I look at yesterday's trade, I can do a strategy and I can add my strategy with the different checklist on my rules. And it has literally where I entered, my first and second exit. So it shows, like it will show on the chart exactly where I took the trades. And I mean, I love it. It's like, it basically is doing what I was doing manually, and it does it automatically. I'm just going to start using this and screenshot this to log my trades instead of having to go in and do it manually. and I can add all these different strategies. And now you can go to reports and run a report off of your strategies. And now it shows you exactly how much. I don't know why this none. Oh, that's a flip day. So the 21 EMA off the 2 minute on the longs has a 73% win rate. The lowest win rate is the 21 EMA off the 5 minute on a short setup. That has the lowest win rate. Most of my money is made off of the 21 EMA 2 minute short. That is where most of my money is made on. Pretty interesting. We've made 19 trades versus 15 trades. I don't know. It's interesting that the short definitely pays more. But it shows, yeah, so far, I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. I love that it does everything automatically. Like, everything is just automatic. I don't have to import. I don't have to import anything and nothing. And I'm all for it. Long around the great call. Yes. What irons should I get? I think I'm going to get the CBs, but not sure if I just spend the extra and get the TaylorMade CBs or Wilsons. Oh, Matty, I don't know, man. Honestly, part of me as well. Like, I wish I would have spent a little more time before I purchased my irons. Not that I have any regrets. I do like the irons I have, but I don't know. Oh, snap. We better pay attention. Oh, snap. We could have a setup. I mean, this is kind of an iffy setup because we didn't make new highs on this move. But we could have our first setup of the day right here. It's kind of a little bit of a borderline setup, but all right, no entry there. All right, let's see. Can we, I mean, I would love if this was, I wouldn't mind actually if we get a bigger pullback here. I wouldn't hate it. See if we get triggered here. And we're in. Now go. Rip it. Just realized I'm going to move my stop just a little bit below this. Come on, market. Just go. Keep going. I want to see this thing rip up through the make new highs. Just do it. Come on, market. Just rip it. Don't make me sweat this. Rip it. Come on, pop it. Hit it. Yes, thank you. Rip it. Keep going. Come on. Oh, Captain Crunch, look at you build up a healthy and time flew by. I know, Captain Crunch. I agree. Doesn't seem that bad. Like, I thought it would take. It adds up. That's what's crazy. It does add up. Come on, market. Don't be difficult here. All right, I need to decide what do I want to do here. I mean, this is one of those times where I feel like I almost need to keep my stop where I have it. If I get stopped out here, then I know I don't know, I'm okay with it, I think. I mean, because this could easily just chop back and forth and then go higher. I don't like this. I don't like it. This is frustrating though. I'm going to be okay with getting stopped out here. If I'm wrong, if I get stopped, I was wrong. But if I get stopped out here, we could still go higher. Trying to just let the trade work. As hard as it is, I don't like this. We might get stopped. Rip. Man, that's unfortunate. And we are stopped. You gotta be kidding. All right, do not stop me out and now rip higher, whatever you do. Don't do that. We do not want to have this kind of day where you do this weird. Just now keep going lower. Thank you. Just keep going lower. It's fine. Man, we are dumping. Pretty big dump here. Is something happening? Big rip lower now. Interesting. Big rib blower. Any thoughts on adding small at 610? I mean, not anymore. This looks, let's see if this holds. Will this EMA, will the 570s, will this hold? Or if this doesn't hold, I think we go test VWAP down here at the 520s. But this looks like we're gonna pull back more. Whoa! Yeah, she dumping. That's a big move lower from the 630s down to the 540s. I'm going to be careful now. This is what I don't really like this. I do not like it, even though technically, I mean, technically we could have a setup here, but man, I'm not sure I want to take this. Seems pretty volatile for 10:30, middle of the day. I don't know, maybe there was something that is some kind of news come out. Wait, there is news about Russia and Ukraine. I see. Okay. Good to know. But hey, this is why we use stop losses. This is why you know what? Reviewing the trade now, I'm actually okay with, I know I know I could have protected a green day if I just take a stop out at break even, but I like this. If I stop out up here, this thing really was not invalid. Once we broke below the 600s, then I think the trade was invalid, and I'm okay getting out. I'm okay with that trade. But do I want to take this? Man, my stop would have to be right here. If we closed on this red, if this candle closes red, then I think I get out of this trade, or I close this order. It's a little scary. It's a little scary. This is pretty volatile. Volatile price action here. Yeah, I don't think we get filled here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we don't get filled. Well, it is Melvin, but I don't think we're going to get an entry here. I don't think we will. Which is okay. Definitely seems a little bit more news related. All right, I guess now we're just going to have to wait, because testing the VWAP now. If this rips back up, it's going to trap a lot of the bears are going to get trapped here. But I really don't have an entry now. We really don't have an entry. Ted Bowman's testifying now. That could also make the market moody. I see. Okay, maybe that's also part of it, I guess. We could definitely see a bounce here off the VWAP. We could definitely see that. It was resistance, nothing more. It could be. It's not like crazy volatility, like with how the market has been lately, but pretty decent drop. It could just be normal resistance here. 650. Couldn't get above the 640s. Now, if this is according to how the market has been acting the last week, or the last couple days, I guess, last week, this will now continue higher. I wouldn't be shocked. Wait, the NQ and MNQ VWAPs are different? Really? Huh. I did not. That's interesting. You think we rocket back up, Francis? I wouldn't be shocked either way. I really wouldn't be shocked either way. The daily chart, obviously, the daily chart looking very bullish. Very bullish. So kind of expect this to go back up, but who knows? But now this is where I don't really have a setup now. I'm not sure what to do. I guess we wait. There she goes. Let's see if we get it back above the 580s. So volume is different on MNQ. It's volume average price. I see, Cremator. I see. Okay. Huh. That is interesting. I mean, we could see a short setup here. If we make a move down below VWAP, there's actually a possibility that this gives us a short setup. I could see that happening. How high did the NDX go to? I see. That is interesting, RX. Yeah. Yeah, see, now it, okay, now it looks like we're gonna go back higher, huh? So I feel like, yeah, we need to see new highs. I'm gonna make my rule. We need to see new highs above the 650s before we can take our next long entry. Which kind of sucks because, I mean, we could see that happen. That could be happening pretty quickly, but yeah, Citizen Zero, I kind of agree. I think this break above the 580s, then this does look like the shorts are going to get trapped here. Now we got to make new highs. Got to make new highs. Yeah, it's just another normal day on NQ, Matty Matt. There she goes. Which I actually have to, I am getting a haircut today. Yay. Getting a haircut. I need it. I hate when my hair is touching my ears. Look at it go. This is a straight up trap for the shorts. No mercy. No mercy. We just go right back up. I don't know. I mean, that's crazy. A big old trap for the shorts. Now we be chilling. Look at that little monkey go. Hey, let's go, Orlando. Pass your second 150K take profit trader. Let's go. Oh, that reminds me. Oh my gosh. I need to send something to someone. All right. Sorry, I needed to send an email that I almost forgot about. Okay. Now, man, this market, crazy. All right. I mean, we just got to make new highs now, and let's take another long. Let's do it again. It was fun the first time. Does the futures, yeah. Near perfect bounce off the 200 EMA. I see. That's interesting. Let me know when you're ready to talk golf again. Oh, I'm ready, Matty Matt. I'm ready. I'm always ready, Matty Matt. All right, let's see if we get up through the 630s, up through the 650s, and then we wait. I guess we wait. I told you that pullback was the one to go long. Well, honestly, if this didn't close below the 21 EMA, if it didn't close below it, we would have had an entry. We actually would have had an entry at the 580s. And would have been a nice trade, but hey, I don't know. We got to follow our rules. You know, I'm a stickler for rules. We can't even bend them. It'd be interesting to know if you've done an analysis considering that second target you always set whether or not you think it's effective as opposed to just aiming for one target. I agree, Fred. I agree. So here's my issue. The stock shaft is a no-go. The guy I was testing them with thinks I need a 125-gram shaft with a mid-launch. So I was hitting the stiff, true temper dynamic. Oh, you're talking about your irons, Matty Matt, right? Yeah. See, I never did much with custom shafts. I actually wish I would have. I wish I would do. I'm not that familiar with the custom shafts, but my next set of irons, I am getting everything custom fitted, custom shafts, everything. I'm going to spend a little bit more time and money. So yeah, I'm not that familiar on that. I am not that familiar with the shaft and the different, I'm not. Okay, wow, look at that. Up through the 640s now. Unbelievable. This market is crazy. Mr. Wall Street. You dirty dog. QuantGuard again, working well and getting better with my pro account. Lock 3 accounts in green. Let's go. Wow. I mean, this literally 100 points down, 100 points right back up. And there she goes. Wow. The dynamic goal was a stock shaft in the Wilsons, and we found the tailor-made PCB with that same shaft. Oh, I see, Matty Matt. Hey, I mean, that sounds good to me. Okay, yeah, it's not too heavy then. See the weight? Yeah, I need to do some custom fitting, I feel like. Wow, look at this thing. Just keep going. Man, what a crazy move. What a crazy move. It's just. All right. Well, hey, we got what we wanted. Now we just need a pullback. We need a pullback. Market just needs to slow down just a tad. Slow down, market. We might see the 800s today. Who knows? When I start pricing out the Wilsons, they get pretty close to the TaylorMates when I start changing shafts. I see. That's interesting. How do you feel like, Matty Matt, the Wilson versus the TaylorMades, like just your contact feel? Like, is that pretty similar? Like if you hit it good versus hitting it off the toe. So if you hit it off the toe with your TaylorMades versus hitting it off the toe with the Wilson, like what are the results on those two different shots? That's always what kind of helps me make decisions on my irons, because I know I don't always hit the perfect center of the club face. So when I don't, like, I like that forgiveness. I like the forgiveness irons. I really need it. The toe lost about 10 yards on each, still went straight. Yeah, see then, and if the feel is similar, I mean, I don't think you can really go wrong, Matty Matt, really. Sometimes it comes to look like, if there's two things that are very similar, not much difference, then I go down to looks. Which one is like, if you're standing over the ball, which one do you like better? That's kind of where I go to. If things are pretty similar, I think in golf, I do that with my drivers. Just standing over the ball and looking at your club, what is more appealing for you? That's what I will go with. It's also helpful psychology as a relief when that first target hits. Yeah, I agree, best guess trading. I agree. It kind of removes some of that pressure. I agree. Matthew. But I agree. The other thing I want to do, I really need to, I think I'm going to spend some money on a golf coach for my driver. My irons and my wedge game and my putting, I'm very happy with. It's not perfect, but I'm pretty consistent. But my driving has been just, it's so erratic, it's so inconsistent. I need some help. I'm going to try to get some lessons on my driver. Really, yeah, I hate it. Ever since I got the yips, ever since I had I've got a case of the yips on my driver, which is topping it is like my worst fear. It's just I cannot seem to hit it. Hey, Max90, how we doing? How are we doing? That's why I could never play pings. They always look like a vacuum cleaner attachment. That's crazy. I never thought of that. Oh, that's crazy. Wow, Mark, that's awesome. Come on, market. Give me a nice pullback now. You can do it. Have you tried to stepping down to your 3-wood? I have, Fred. I've actually, I've done a couple different things that I've tried. You know what's crazy? I actually have started just hitting my 5-iron off the tee. I can hit my 5-iron pretty consistently over 200, like 200-ish. So I start just hitting my 5 and 6-iron off the tee because my 3-wood, I do the same thing with my 3-wood. It's just, I don't know. Like, and I'll be playing fine for 6, 7 holes, and then one hole, I'll top it on my driver, and then the rest of the round is just completely out the window. Like, it's over. Shorted gold at 42.14. Let's go, Black Coffee. Let's go. Wow, that was a good setup on gold there on that short. Wow. Pretty nice sell-off on gold. Interesting. All right, market. Really want to pull back here. Come on. Cave MT. Interested in a setup? Oh, in a bot that automatically sends you a message? Oh, Cave MT. That's an interesting. I'm not sure I want that, honestly, because part of me, I kind of like when I don't. Like, I feel like taking every single setup. I mean, it can be okay, but I don't know. Maybe Cave MT, kind of. Yes, Mighty Micros. I have seen Bryson hit the putter off the tee box. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he could drive more consistently with his putter than I can drive with my driver. That's how bad it is. Ooh, okay. Okay, come on down, market. Come on down. Give me that nice pullback. Come on down. No, 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 no. You're supposed to keep coming down. Come on down. Come on, market. Let's go, Black Coffee. That's off. That's a great trade. Really? Are we? Come on, market. Give me a pullback. Oh, oh, snap. What happened? Man, what was this? What is happening? A little bit of a dump. A little bit of a dump right there. Now, I will not enter up here. So we need a better entry than what we got right now. That was a big dump. Oh, 11 o'clock, maybe 11 o'clock hour. I guess that could be what's going on. Come on, I do not want to enter up here. I really don't. Well, I'm not going to. I'm just not doing it. What is going? This is insane. Just what? Look at that. I mean, I'm not going to take that setup. Not going to do it. We are not going to do it. Not falling for it. The problem is my entry would be right here, the 654s. But where's my first target? I can't even. My first target would literally, it's impossible. This is probably going to rip higher now, but oh well. Oh well. Oh well. Let's not buy the top of a candle today. That's actually really good advice, Matty Matt. That's actually good advice. I'm going to be a little bit sad if this rips now, but I don't know. Feel like I just don't like those kind of setups. I'm not going to take them. Just not going to do it. You're long 661, not financial advice. Yes. Hey, good luck, Captain Crunch. Good luck. Bond yields slowly up, ticking to the top of the range. Maybe it's interest rates getting ready to start heading higher. I see. Oh, here's the pullback again. I don't know. This just looks a little dangerous. Looks a little weird. I see you, Wall Street. Wow, look at that. And just right back down. What is, I don't know, man. This seems weird. This price action seems a little weird. I mean, now I could. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. This seems, huh. I mean, now we could get a setup here off the 5-minute 21 EMA. I'm just going to do one micro. I'm only going to do one micro on this setup if it even triggers. See if we get filled. The dips before the rips are insane. Yeah, those dips are very violent. The pullbacks, we've had some pretty crazy red candles today. Let's hope we don't get, we did get caught in one. Not really caught in it, but we did get stopped out on it. And we're in, folks. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get a ripper. Ah, come on, market. We might not even, this might be a, ouch. Right back down. We got trapped. That was a fake out, I think. Wow. Wow. Well, that was quick. Ouch. Wow. Okay, never mind. Never mind. That was rough. That is the worst kind of trade. We literally ticked in my entry and then dump. We didn't even, I don't think I saw a green. I don't think we were in the profit one time. Ay, 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 ay. Probably should have given myself a little more room there on that fill, but it is what it is. That's not fun. Proceeds to buy the top of the candle. Well, technically, it wasn't. Well, I guess it was the top when I bought it. So it goes. I guess usually I do that. Man, this is dumping now. Well, well, well. That is not what we wanted. Not what we wanted. Man, man, oh man. Ay, ay, ay. And we just continuing lower now. Hmm. This looks heavy. Looks like we're just gonna continue lower. We continue lower, testing the 560s. And here we go. Here's the VWAP. Are we going to rip through it? Let's see. This thing could just dump right here. Yep, there we go. We're losing VWAP. All right, I see. I mean, we could test now the low of the day here down at the 470s, I feel like is in play. But let's wait and see what happens. See what happens here. I feel like this is going to keep going lower. This is some pretty, it's not great. 520s being tested now. We might have to call it a day here. Kind of wouldn't mind if we get a short setup. I kind of don't mind that. I'm sure you addressed this $10 lifetime for a pack. Is that life? Yes, it is for life. That is no, sorry, not for the life of the eval, just the promotion life, John. So the promotion life, if that ends at midnight tonight, that $10 won't work tomorrow unless they extend it. So yeah, it does have to be today. All right, we're trying to get trying to get a bounce here. It's trying. Okay, getting a bounce, that bounce. Will it keep going? Are we gonna go right back up? Crazy market. Oh, boom, right back down. Yeah, we might have to call it a day. It's unfortunate. This kind of price action, though, not at all. Like this is not good price action for me at all. Looks like we're gonna. Is it gonna rip right back up? Can't seem to get above the VWAP. At least we can't seem to hold. Is it gonna dump here? I don't know what's going on here. I'm chilling. I'm debating if I want to just call it a day. I'm on the edge. I'm on the edge if I want to just call it a day. Do I call it a day? Just walk away, take my loss? Basically voids yesterday's really nice green day. Kind of sucks. And there's the dump lower. See if we maybe retest the 460s here. I'm sorry, Deb. Yeah, this market's kind of hard, man. It's pretty difficult. Right now, it just feels heavy. Feels like we can't go higher. But you never know. Oh, really? The Wolf 92? Yeah, that's the worst. Getting literally I mean, this literally, the high of this candle was 628 and a quarter, and 627 and 3/4 was my fill. So we literally got ticked in and it just dumped straight down, stopped out. The worst thing that can happen. It's kind of the exact opposite of what happened yesterday when we literally had an entry, we never were red, and just immediately to my target. So we had a little bit of both. $12.45. And there's the Dumpski. Down we go. We just could not make it back above that VWAP, and now we are going lower. Let's see what happens here at the low of day here, the 470s. All right, 470s, 475s. We are getting that just dump all the way through. Testing the low of day, testing the low of day. Let's see. I mean, we have the 420s here also. 420s are kind of a interesting level. I mean, we can get a short setup now, but we got to wait till the EMAs are all the way down here. I feel like it's going to take forever. All right, let's see if we test that 420. Bounce might be canceled. Yeah, I don't know. We're not getting much of a bounce anymore. Like, we had this big move lower, bounce right back up, and this move lower, not much of a bounce at all. We just basically just been going lower. Hey, how we doing, Ralph? Do they celebrate Thanksgiving in Florida? Well, I think so, but I was actually in Ohio for Thanksgiving. I think we keep going lower. This thing looks like it wants to dump. All right, about to test the 440s. How low can you go? That's right. How low can you go? We're still hanging out right here at the low of the day. Low of the day is 470s, so we're just hanging out right now. Wouldn't be shocked to see a little bit of a bounce, but so far, not much happening. All right, market. I feel like I'm not going to get a short setup here. It's just looks like we're in one of those. We just go lower. We're just continuing to bleed lower, not getting any bounce. I use Tories. Let's go, Matty Matt. I love how people say size down, use micros. Meanwhile, I'm blowing accounts left and right using a few micros. I hear you, man. I hear you, Design Knob. I've done that. I've done that. I'm about to join you. This eval is about gone. This is a if you're trying to catch a bounce, if you're trying to look for a bounce here, this is a very, very frustrating trading. Like this price action is very frustrating if you're trying to catch a bounce. Just be careful. Be careful. Oh, there's a bounce. Okay. Let's see if it actually keeps going or if it's just a fake little bounce here. Do they make nano micros? No, I don't think they do. Wow, look at that. It's just immediately back down. Like, that's what's so difficult, where it just feels like it's a little fake out. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can get that move lower, maybe. Take out the 420s. Yep, the magical 420s. Hey, good morning, Pine Tree. How we doing? And I have your email address. I've sent the ticket to Apex 5 business days, but there is no response. AGT, yes. Email me at nuttybar1983 @gmail.com. And there she goes, 420s. There it is, the magical 420s. And we just keep going lower. And we keep going lower. Man, that's crazy how we're just continuing to sell off. I wish I would get a short setup, but I feel like I'm not going to. I just don't think I'm even going to get a short setup here. Gap filled on NVIDIA? I see. We just continue lower. Okay, now getting a little bit of a bounce. Okay, maybe, I don't know. Gosh, we're never getting this set up. We're never getting this set up. Okay, maybe we get a move. Maybe. Yeah. I'm going to wait. I'm going to try to be patient. See if we get a setup. We are finally getting a little bit of a bounce off the 420. The magical 420s. The magical 420s have officially created a bounce. Are we going to get a setup? Now that's a whole different question. I'm not sure we will, but maybe. We are definitely getting a bounce from the 420s now up to the 470s. I might, man, getting so tempted. God destroy the Atoma. Yeah, it's been a difficult day to trade, to be honest. It's been a difficult day. Man, I'm trying to debate. Am I actually going to take a short? Probably, I think I will. I think we will. Feel like I have to. If we get a good entry short, we're going to take it. All right, testing that 490s. Man, this is just pumping now. Straight up, it's dangerous. Feel like it's dangerous to be taking a short here. I'm going to be forced. I might be forced to make a decision, though. Here we go. Just keep going up. Let's see if we test that 520. It's going to be the magical time. Man, this market's crazy. This market is crazy. Yeah, it feels very dangerous to go short, but man, I don't know. If I get a good entry, I'm probably going to take it. I'm probably going to take it. But it is scary. I mean, look at this thing rip. All right. It's time to pay attention. Man, this is just wild how it's just crazy how this market can just go from straight V-shaped reversal, straight V-shaped reversal mode. We go from 660s down to the 420s and then just immediately back up. Wild, 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 wild. All right. We might have to take, we might be forced to make a decision here. I'm trying to think, do I want to, I'm trying to think, make sure I'm thinking rationally here. First and foremost, I have to ask myself, first and foremost, and most importantly, am I okay with taking a loss? Like, honestly, that needs to be the biggest question. Am I okay taking a loss? Man, the answer is, I sure would prefer not to. I sure would prefer not to take a loss. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm gonna get this is starting to look like another trap for the long shorts. We might get trapped here again. Come on, don't be like this. Come on, market. I really need this to dump. I need you to dump. Don't trap. I don't like that. Give me a follow through. Dump it. Come on. Dump it. That's my girl. Now go. Keep going. No. Really need a follow through here. I really need a follow through here. Dump it. Come on, keep going. No. No, market. No, 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 no. No. Ah. I should. I'm seriously debating about closing this. I'm seriously considering closing this right here, but okay, dump it. Come on, man. Just do it. Come on. You seriously can't do this. You can't be doing this to me. I don't like that we're not seeing a follow through after this big of a move lower. Like, I feel like this move should have given us a pretty big, significant move, and we're just not getting it. And I'm starting to become very, very impatient. Very impatient, I say. I need to go on a walk. That's what I need to do. I need to go on a walk. Come on. Come on. Come on. Dump it. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe. Please don't. I'm going to close this trade if I don't leave. If I don't get out of my chair and walk away, I'm going to close this trade. I know it. I've accepted the loss. Fine. Fine, market. I have accepted the loss. Go ahead. Go ahead and take me out. Go ahead, market. It's fine. Yeah, we're getting stopped. 100%. Stop, Jody. So annoying. So annoying. I'm so annoyed. So tempted to get. I'm not. I can't do it. I give up. I can't do it. I couldn't do it. I couldn't hold, and I gotta close. I closed it. That was one of the more frustrating trades I've ever had. Even if this stops me out, it technically was not. I probably should not have taken that trade, to be quite frank. Probably should not have taken that trade because I'm not on a level of me accepting a loss. I only partially had. I was only kind of okay with a loss. I was only kind of okay with a loss. That I really wasn't okay with a loss. And I'm going to stop trading. I am going to stop trading for the day. We are done. I guess it was the right move, but it wasn't the right trade. It was not a good trade because. All right, that is a sure sign that we need to walk away, folks. We need to walk away. I need to walk away. I'm done trading for the day. We gotta. Like that was a little bit scary because that is exactly how I trade and how I feel. Like that is how I feel when I start DCAing and moving my stop loss, thinking that it's that mindset of not accepting a loss that's that's not good. That is not good. We got to walk away. Terry trades 100. Let's go. Hey, Terry trades 100. I love it. I love it. How we doing, Terry Trades? Thanks for stopping in. I appreciate it. Lambos for all. Man. Whew. All right, guys. Hey, tomorrow we are going to be doing a Take Profit Trader giveaway. I can't do it today, but we will be doing one tomorrow. So put it in your book. Put it on the calendar. We will be doing a Take Profit Trader giveaway tomorrow. So, all right, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Thanks, everybody. If you don't mind, hit the like button on your way out. We will be back tomorrow. Definitely not a great day. Not a terrible day, but I could feel the angst creeping in pretty bad. So I'm happy to walk away today. I am happy to walk away. Oh. All right. Take care, everybody. I appreciate it. Take care and God bless.